Hello, I am Jordan Allen, doing a project about pollution versus alligators. Enjoy. May 1st, 2006, a study was announced that chemicals like DDT and others were polluting Lake Apopka in Orlando, Florida. Now these chemicals act like sort of like estrogen, and the effects on female alligators in the juvenile stage is that their bodies have more estrogen than they actually need. In the juvenile stage of female alligators, they actually have more estrogen in their bodies than a full-grown female alligator. Now, the pesticides or estrogen in the water has a kind of humorous effect on the male juvenile alligators in Lake Apopka in Orlando, Florida. What is actually happening to them is their penises are shrinking. About 24%, and there's actually a 74% increase of estrogens that are actually in their body. Not only are their penises shrinking, their sexes can actually change. Now, what is causing the effects of decreasing amounts of alligators in Lake Apopka in Orlando, Florida, is the fact that the alligators' penises are not large enough or long enough to fit inside of the female alligators. If they can't fit, they can't reproduce. Therefore, there's a decrease in how many alligators there are. No, this sounds funny, but there actually is a serious part of this. And what we've been learning in class is if one part of the food chain is taken away, what's going to happen to other parts of the food chain? So if all of the crocodiles in that place disappear, the food chain's going to crash. Now, the alligators eat the fish. If the alligators are gone out of the food chain, the fish can eat all the algae, and that means no more algae for other fish, which means other fish will die, and everybody dies in the end. It means for all of us, no more fish sticks. This DDT and estrogen pollution doesn't only affect the alligators, it actually affects a lot of humans. Many factories put estrogen in a lot of the foods. Say, if any of you are having pizza pops, the plastic wrap that they put around the pizza pops can actually have estrogen in them, which can have effect on human males. Of these chemicals can also be found in Lunchables. Now, if you'd like to read more, you can actually go to Gene Logsdon's article on the internet. It's called The Case of the Shrinking Penis. Or you can go to newsgroups.durkeiler.com. And there are archives, and look up a response. Warnings, penis size shrinking due to environmental pollution. Who wins in this scenario? Well, I wish I could say it was the alligators, but no one's really won yet. But I'm going to say pollution will win. So, if you want to stop polluting the world, that'd be good. Because you're killing alligators and making their livelihood worse. How'd you like it if someone came into your lake and poured lots of chemicals in there and made your thingy shrink? Not fun! Not fun. But seriously, this can affect us. Like, think about it, if they're gone and we start eating too much foods with estrogen, what if it starts to shrink for us? Maybe we go extinct, you never know. The world starts over again. Thank you for listening. I'm Jordan Allen.